What's up, my 4C gang? It's your girl Lakia, and I'm back with another video. Now, in today's video, we will be doing a DIY. Yes, I haven't done a DIY in such a long time, but I saw this trend on YouTube that you mix these products together and you get growth, so I'm going to try that today. Now, the first product would be the Do Grow hair fertilizer. I got the mega thick one, and this one is a grease. By the way, I showed this in my last video and I didn't really like it as moisturizing my hair, but I've never applied it to my scalp, so that is what I'm going to do today, along with the mixture of these products. Now I'm going to apply the virgin hair fertilizer, and oh my god, this spilled everywhere. I was trying to get it out and it just spilled all over. Watch, guys, watch. Boom. Like, what? Yeah, girl, I was like, what? Like, what is this doing? But moving on to that, I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon of the virgin hair fertilizer and add it to the mixture. Then I'm going in with wild growth oil, and I only put 2 tablespoons of the wild growth oil, as well as 3 tablespoons of the Jamaican black castor oil, because one, Jamaican black castor oil is very, very good to my hair. I found that it's a really good oil for my hair. My hair loves that stuff. So then I'm just going to mix it up. Yep, mix it up. I'm sorry about this poor camera quality, but I was filming in the dark, so yeah, this is how it's looking right now. So guys, after I have mixed all the ingredients together, I am now going to put it on like some water, some heated water, like hot water, and let that mixture oh my god, I'm rambling, but I'm just gonna allow the mixture to melt, because one, it has in grease, 2 greases to be exact, because the hair virgin fertilizer is a grease as well. So you want to be, if you're not a person that likes grease, me personally, I find nothing wrong with it. I don't advise you to try out this hair growth mixture, but if you do like grease, then go ahead and try it out to yourself, see how it works. I mean, it was not too bad, and I didn't make it too greasy, because the grease did turn into oil, and every time I would apply this to my scalp, I made sure that it was heated first to make sure that it would send blood flow to my scalp and help me get good nutrients so that I can have great hair growth. So guys, I'm going to mix this as you see here, to help the water dissolve everything. And as soon as it runny like that, I'm going to put it into an application bottle, and I had to be like almost very, very careful of what I was doing, because I didn't want it to spill. So what I did was to get a funnel to put in the application bottle, then throw the mixture in the funnel, and the funnel also had a strainer, so it strained any fine particles that didn't get mixed with the mixture. So that was great as well. And as you can see here, it looks extremely like an oil and not a grease. I did have a grease in there, as you've seen before, but I wanted it to be very, very loose and lightweight, and it was. So I made sure that I heat it every single time I wanted to use it again because it would solidify again, but not extremely bad. Now, after straining the mixture and making sure that the mixture was in the bottle, I then grabbed my cup and put on the bottle and made sure that the bottle was covered. Now guys, this is a hair growth challenge, so I will be doing this checking my hair every 6 months. Now I did do a length check, and the length check showed me that the back of my hair was 13 inches, which I am proud of, as 5 years natural and going. Well, I'm about to be 5 years natural, sorry, but it was 13 inches, and I'll be back to show you what my hair looks like, or how my hair grew after the 6 months. Bye guys, see you next.